Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the August Petit Vour box, and I will go ahead and do a review of the July Petit Vour box. Petit Vour is a non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan subscription box. I really like Petit Vour because they give you a good mix of skincare, makeup, body care, and also it's one of the more affordable boxes. It's $18 per month. And you typically get at least one full-size product and some like kind of travel or sample sizes of other products. And I am an affiliate for Petit Vour, so I do get this box sent to me, but I am always honest with my reviews with you guys. Even if I am sent a product, I'm not afraid to be critical of the products. I think that's really important for you as consumers to know my genuine thoughts and opinions on product. A product that might not work for me may work for you, or a product that works for you may not work for me because of our different skin types, preferences, etc. So because I am an affiliate, if you choose to use any of my links to Petit Vour, I do get a commission off of any purchases you make, and it doesn't cost you anything extra to you. It costs the same as if you were to use my links or not use my links, and really that commission just goes to support Naturally Beautiful Girl so I can bring you more content and try out new products for you guys. So if you want to support me, using my affiliate links is an awesome way to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the August Petit Vour box. So the first product in this month's box is a brow product, which is why I don't have my brows done. And this is the Eye of Horus brow pencil. It's a waterproof brow pencil, and it's infused with castor oil to help your brows grow more fully. So this is what the brow pencil looks like. It's extremely thin. The brow pencils that I'm familiar with are normally thicker in the packaging. That would be something like the Found Shape and Define brow pencil or the old Honest Beauty brow pencil. Those were both just like thicker in the packaging. The Jane Iredale was pretty thin if I remember properly. And this brow pencil does have a spoolie on one end and wow, look at how fine that tip is, a teeny tiny tip. So this is a much thinner tip than what you can traditionally find, so that's really nice. It's going to help give fine hair-like strokes to your brows. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this. Now I have the shade Dynasty, and this is just, it looks like just a generic brown shade. Yeah, here it is swatched on my hand. Let's go ahead and try this out. So that was pretty easy to use. I'm a little bit rusty with using brow pencils because I've been using the 100% pure green tea fiber brow to fill in my brows, which is just a brow gel product that's tinted and has some fibers in it. Because as you could see before I started the video, my brows are doing pretty well at the moment. I've really gotten them to grow in and I'm pretty happy with how they look, so they don't need much filling. This brow over here just has like a little bit of a bulb patch like right here at the top of my brow. But other than that, I don't need much. The really thin brow tip made it very easy to do like fine lines, and it blended out very easily with the spoolie, and the spoolie worked well. It wasn't too scratchy. And I think the color of this is really good too, because a lot of times brow pencils come in funny colors. Because of my coloring, even though my hair is pretty dark, I don't like to go with dark brown brow pencils because they can look too harsh on me. But if I try and go with medium browns, a lot of times they're too red, and then sometimes the taupe ones are too light. But this color here worked really well, and I think it looks extremely natural. So let me guys know what you think, but I really, so far, I'm liking this product and I'm excited to try this out some more. I'll obviously have to let you know how long wearing it is when I do my September Petit Vour unboxing. And the value of this brow pencil is $25, so you've already covered the entire cost of the box in just this one product alone. The next product we got in this month's box is this Audacity, what is it called? It's the Black Mint Cleanser. And I could actually smell this product when I opened the box. It wasn't spilling everywhere, but it just smelled amazing. It smelled like a peppermint patty when I opened the box. And I found out that it was due to this product. And this is a charcoal mint face cleanser, and it's really cool because it actually comes out black because it's a charcoal based cleanser. And I have actually been testing this out for a few days. I just got back from a trip to New York City. It was my birthday over the weekend, and so I celebrated my birthday, hung out with some friends, had an awesome time in New York City, and I took this cleanser with me as my travel cleanser because I actually got the box like an hour before I had to catch my train. So it was actually very good timing. And I have really been enjoying the cleanser. It does work very well. I feel like it's getting my face clean. I'm not breaking out from it. If I am sensitive to a product, I will break out pretty quickly from the product. So I can tell so far that I'm having a good time with this cleanser. I'm not sensitive to it. And I really like the mint aspect of the cleanser. It's very refreshing and cooling on your face. I'm excited to try it out some more throughout the month, but so far I'm having a very good time with that cleanser and really enjoying using it. The experience is just great, especially with the scent and the cooling feeling. This cleanser is a sample size and it is $14, and the full size of this cleanser is $39. The next product we got in this month's box was a Saint Tropica hot oil hair mask made from virgin coconut oil. And this is supposed to kind of be a deep conditioner that you can use as like a mask. It's supposed to be like a hair mask essentially. And we've gotten this in the Petit Vour box before, about a year and a half ago actually, because when I first started Petit Vour, this is, which I started in February 2 years ago, which is crazy at this point. So it's been a year and a half since I've been using Petit Vour, and this is one of the first products we got in the box. So I haven't gone ahead and used this yet. I might be passing this along to a friend because right now I have very short hair at the moment, and I just don't think that this will be that helpful for me. Well, I have used the product before, so I can tell you what I think. I have enjoyed using this product, but I just don't think for my hair type and how oily my hair is, that hair masks are really the best product for me. But I have heard many people loving this hair mask. So if you want something with like very simple ingredients, this hair mask is great. What you do is you just heat this up, and then while it's hot, you can put it in your hair. When I actually got this the first time, it was solid, but I don't know if you can hear it because it's so hot right now. The coconut oil is liquefied currently, so it is in a liquid state. So you could probably, during the summer, just put this in directly into your hair. But yeah, it is really nice if you're looking for a very simple ingredient, effective hair mask. And the value of that hair mask, it's a sample of it, and it is $5. And I was actually able to get numerous uses out of that hair mask last time. It's a pretty big packet, so what I would do is just put it in a little plastic bag, and that way I could keep reusing it. So I could get multiple uses out of one hair mask. Obviously, if you have really long hair, you're probably not gonna get as many uses, but there's quite a bit in there. So I think even with long hair, you could probably still get 2 or 3 uses. The next product is from Formulary 55, and I've tried out one of their clay face masks before, but this is actually a sea clay body mask. And so this is a clay mask that you can actually put on like your neck and your décolleté. That's where, and back, that's where it's targeted to be at. I haven't used it yet, but I am kind of curious to try it out. I'm not a huge fan of clay mask. I've mentioned this numerous times. I don't really like the whole like mixing your own mask and applying it and then having to mist your face to keep your clay mask hydrated. Just not my favorite type of product, but I am curious about trying this. I've never really tried a body mask before. I didn't get a chance to test this out because I was traveling to New York City, but I am going to be trying it out, and I will let you know in my September Petit Vour unboxing what I think of this product. And the value of this mask is $8. So overall, the entire value of the August Petit Vour box is $42, which is a really great value considering it's only $18 to purchase it in the first place. This is a pretty good box. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into a review of last month's Petit Vour box. One of the products we got was the Aloe Rose Water Balancing Mist from Little Barn Apothecary, and as you can see here, I've been working my way through it. I've been using it as my morning hydrosol that I've been spraying on my face before using my rose quartz roller. And I've been liking this. My face has been jiving with it, but it's just not my favorite product. I've mentioned this in, I think, last month's video, that rose scents are not my favorite, and I'm not a huge fan of rose hydrosols. Because I feel like for me, especially with the hydrosol, a lot of the experience is the smell and the scent of it. And if it's not your favorite scent, then it's not going to be a product that you're going to want to use and reach for. I've obviously been using this, and I'm going to finish it up because I don't like to be wasteful, and there's nothing wrong with the product. It's just, for me, it's not my favorite scent. So I know if you love rose scents, I think this is a great product. It's got aloe in it, And like I said, it's been jiving pretty well with my skin. I was concerned for a while that maybe rose water wasn't the best for my skin, but I really have been having a better time with my skin recently, so this doesn't seem to be causing any problems. If you like rose water and want to hydrate yourself with rose water in it, this is a really nice product and I've been enjoying it. The next product we got was this Osya Essential Hydrating Oil. And this is a sample, and I love Osya. I think Osya has really high quality, really effective skincare. They have a lot of products that are targeted towards people with acneic skin, which is what I suffer from. I find that to be really important because I think a lot of skincare brands really focus on anti-aging or dry skin. So if you have an oily acneic skin type like I do, I really have been loving Osya products. I have a whole video about Osya products. I will link that up above. Obviously I have been using it. You can see I've made a dent in it. But I kind of got sidetracked trying out some other products. I got off of using this for a little while. I was using it and I liked it. I didn't see any amazing changes for my skin, and maybe it's just because I wasn't using it long enough and I switched to trying something else out. You know, I get distracted by new products. I'm sure you do too. And that kind of happened with me with this one. It just wasn't standing out to me. It wasn't something that was completely wowing me. But I also had that issue with the Lilah champagne serum. I didn't really realize I loved it until I stopped using it and then missed it and went back to it. So it could be that I'm gonna keep working on this, keep trying it out. I mean, you'll see it eventually in one of my empties videos, so it'll make it there and I can really give you my full thoughts on it. But so far, I wasn't like wowed by it. If you have tried this product, let me know what your thoughts on it are. And let me know too what your skin type is. It may just not be like the most effective thing for my skin type, because I do think it's supposed to be really hydrating. Even though I have oily acneic skin, I do love using serums and hydrating products on my face, because even with oily skin, it is important to hydrate your skin and make sure you aren't dehydrating your skin, because then your skin will just produce more oils and then that's not good. But it just wasn't doing a ton for me, at least not that I could notice. I did go ahead and test out the Ursa Major Essential Face Wipes. I did use all 5 of them. They're perfect for traveling. If you travel a lot, I highly recommend picking up some of these because this is the easiest way I found to remove my makeup while I was traveling. I took some of these with me to my sister-in-law's wedding. Oh, I went and spent like one night in Boston, so I used the last one when I was spending that one night in Boston. And they do a good job of removing your makeup. The only complaint I have about the face wipes is I wish the wipes themselves were more wet. They were a little bit dry. They weren't as soaked in solution as I would like. When the face wipes are more wet, it's easier, I feel like, to use them. I feel like you're not like kind of rubbing as hard on your face, but I did like it. It did remove my makeup well. It didn't irritate my skin. I'm definitely actually contemplating purchasing like the large packet of these. This was like the sample pack, because all the wipes are individually wrapped, so I can just like grab them and take them with me when I need it, because this was extremely travel friendly. So if you are into traveling, this is a great product to have on hand. Made getting my makeup off so much easier. I didn't have to worry about carrying a makeup remover oil with me, and then when I do that, I feel like I need to bring my own paper towels so I'm not messing up the towels wherever I am. So yeah, definitely a good travel product. The last product in last month's box was these Divine Duo Lip and Cheek colors from Lilah B, and I have been testing them out. I did try them out as a lip product and as a cheek product, as always seems to happen to me. I prefer them as a cheek product. They are really long wearing, so if you have been having issues with your cream blush staying in place, these stay on really well. I wore one of these on Friday, which was when I went to New York City. I put it on in the morning. We didn't get to New York City until 10:30 at night, and then by the time we finally went to bed, because we were hanging out with our friend talking, it was 1 a.m. And I remember when I was removing my makeup, I looked in the mirror and I could still see the blush on, and I was like, wow. That's pretty darn impressive. Using them as a lip product was nice. They are very pigmented, which is an issue I have with a lot of lip and cheek products, is they often are not pigmented enough for me, for my lips. They were kind of drying and they weren't that long wearing on my lips. I have so many other lipstick formulas that I prefer, so I'd rather just wear those. But I do think as a cheek product, they work extremely well. Also, they're not too dewy. They're not like matte, but they're not like overly dewy too. So I think that also helped them wear longer on my cheeks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel. Also be sure to hit the bell button so you're notified of when I post new videos. And check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. Also, I should let you know that now Pacifica is being carried on Petit Vour. Pacifica has a huge range of products, so Petit Vour is not carrying all of their products, but they are carrying quite a few. So I will leave a link down to those products below so you can check them out. I always like when Petit Vour picks up new brands because Petit Vour has an amazing rewards program. Whenever I can, I purchase from Petit Vour because it's one of the best rewards programs because you actually acquire points that you can use as cash towards purchases on Petit Vour. It reminds me of the Ulta rewards program. So it's a very effective rewards program. You're not just stuck with samples, so it's a great one to check out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.